Hi guys. Today we are going to discuss the science specialization, standard 2 earth science, and we are going to discuss that how we can answer these type of the question. I will also be uh, sharing one of the best strategy that you can easily crack the exam while you are using ChatGPT, or which approach you should apply or which approach you should not apply. So stay connected. Uh, we are going to start to solve this question. Let's see. Now, this question is talking about the diagram below is a synaptic chart. So, synaptic chart is actually another story that we can uh, discuss that how to study synaptic chart. I'll be uploading a separate video for the synaptic chart. Uh, that's quite interesting. That especially if you are good in frequently you are watching the weather forecasting video, then you will be very comfortable to solve these type of the questions. Yellow showing weather conditions for Australia, a particular day in June. Which of the following best describe the expected weather condition at location X for around 6 hours after the chart shows? Of course, time we cannot see over here. So our question is here location X, right? Location, right? This is the red has been marked, correct? For location, we should know the directions, correct? Immediately, what you have to do, you have to draw a line, okay, from the center line, right, like this way, right? That means examiner want to check, okay? Or then you have the center part. Of course, this is a center part here, you can see here, right? So center part will be like this way, right? Now, this line we call the prime meridian, right? If you know a little bit of geography, prime meridian. And this line is the equator. We know that the equator has a zero latitude. Now, this will be what? North. This will be south. This will be east. And this is the west, right? First, we have to find out the location. Now, it's very clear. The location of this, is what? Southwest, right? So we identify southwest here. Southwest. You can see here we have a locations northwest, southwest, southwest, and northwest. So we can eliminate northwest because we have already identified the southwest location. Now this says that the cold and dry wind, and this says cold and wet winds, right? So cold, sorry, this is talking about east, right? So this will also be eliminated. So one thing is clear that we got an answer, right? But it's still not done, right? How would I know the winds are cold or wet right here? Because we've identified the location, that's fine, because this is X location. We have to also know that cold and wet. How would I know that these winds are cold and wet, right? Now look at these lines, right? These lines. You can see here. Let me change the color of this pen. Bear with me. Okay, let me check. Okay, now I'm going to use red color over here, right? This is the one. These lines, right? Check. These lines are very closer. Now these numbers are actually called isobars, right? We'll discuss later isobar. And these lines are what? Distance, right? As you can see here, these are the distance, right? So I'm marking that this area has a low elevation just like a not mountains area, right? And the line which has a very closer to each other, these are the mountainous area, mountain, high elevation. How would I know? This is a point, right? We'll, for this question, we have to understand these things first now. Now let me clear. As you can see here, when we are identifying the elevation on the map, we are using what? Control lines, right? These we call what? Control lines. So control lines are determining whether this is the high mountain H and this is the low mountain. So as you can see here, these lines are very close to each other. So when the lines are very close to each other, that means it's a steep slope, right? That means high mountains. So when it's a high mountain, temperature will be low. Low, I mean cold, right? At mountain, we have a cold. When these lines are a distance, that means gentle slope, right? That means elevation is what? Low, right? And when the elevation is a low, the temperature will be high, right? High temperature. Now we concluded that in question, you can see here, these lines, control lines are very close to each other, correct? So it means their temperature is a cold, right? Cold temperature and weight. So option says the cold and wet with the southwest wind, right? So this will be the right answer. Okay. Stay connected. I'm going to tell you the how you can easily answer or crack your exam while you are using, because you are using wrong approach while you're using, ChatGPT and other things. So we are